One of the most frequently asked questions we get about the Campground Virtual Tours is how can I integrate my hand-drawn map with these virtual tours? And the answer is it's pretty simple. Taking your hand-drawn map, our team can either guide you or do the work for you and make your map clickable into the virtual tours. Here we are at Bakersfield River Run RV Park, and if you want to try it out, you can. Underneath their amenities, they have a link to their park site map. You can hover over any of their site numbers, and if you click on that site, it'll load the virtual tour and immediately jump to that site within the virtual tour. So now the viewer can actually see the site they're potentially considering to book. The nice thing about this is it jumps the user into the virtual tour, which they can then hit play and continue on through the virtual tour if they like, or use all the other features that are built into the virtual tour to navigate around. Or they can simply navigate back to your map, you click on a different site, and it loads the virtual tour, jumping straight to that site in order to look at it. This feature is built out of the box, and this is how we can integrate it within your campground website and better empower campers to be able to tour around the campground, the RV park, see the sites, and most importantly, click those sites to be able to book it. If you want to learn more, go over to Campground Views /OMG to get signed up for your very own Campground Virtual Tour.